Hello, so here in this question, we are asked to draw the Lewis structure of CH3COCH2CO2H. Okay, so carbon, the valency is 4. For oxygen, the valency is 6. And for hydrogen, the valency is 1. Okay, so using this, we can draw the Lewis structure. So we can consider this carbon first. So this is carbon 1, which is having 4 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay. Now we are having 3 hydrogens around it. So one hydrogen over here, then the other hydrogen over here, and the third hydrogen over here. Okay. Now this is connected to another carbon atom. Okay. So that carbon atom is also having 4 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay. And 2 of it is forming bond with oxygen, where oxygen is having 6 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay.